Oh my god. Look at those flowers, guys. Look at the flowers. These flowers. It's raining and pouring. Look at this man. Raining. Raining. See the flowers. It's crazy about these flowers, guys. Bye bye, flowers. Bye bye. Oh my gosh, what the heck?
So teraz dzieci.
The rain is just having fun, as heavy as it can be. Yeah, and we're going to Tins. Yep. That one is going to Pitianga, is this one, and this was going to Tims, and this guy's here is that roundabout. Yeah. Other people, they have to pull over to the side of the road if it's hard for them to drive, like this car here, and that one too, this car here. They have to stop. Now we can see the lights of the end of the tunnel. Lights of the end of the tunnel. So yeah. That light's there. Yeah. Release the pressure of the clouds, and this over there is still good. So, yeah, still some more, not quite done yet. Yeah, the area there. Oh, you guys, look at that. Bida ba? over there it's clearing now. It's clearing over there, guys. See, that one there is clearing. But there's still some more here. Oh, okay. Just drop the bomb. So that's guys, they're just waiting. There's over there. And over here, guys, it's nice and blue. Yeah. It's New Zealand.
Where you took it?
We are getting there. Things airfield. Oh, it's over here. Over there, that's where people lives, and that's the residential area for Thames residents. The Thames population is only over 20,000, 25,000 population over here. You can count it if you want. Yep. All this car event over there. It's a little bit blurry, but still okay. Oh, there's still some more there that they're gonna drop. Just gonna turn around here. There is still thick, dark, and something. That one is a blue. Oh, yeah, okay, there you go. Guys, we are almost there. So, man, the rain was furious. Furious. How to say that, Adam? The rain is furious. Ferocious. Ah, dear. Ambot unsa na sa Bisaya. We're right there. Oh. Yeah, this is a beautiful Thames. Yeah. Okay, we still got thick dark clouds over there waiting to, you know, drop
these
them.
are patient. Bit of wave.
Our patients there first before us. Okay, let's find a parking area right here. Okay.